कश्मीर इज डाइंग।
पहलगाम हमले का नया वीडियो सामने आया है, जहां पहली गोली चली वहां का वीडियो गोली मारते हुए दिख रहा।
मौत की कसम है।
मेरा पति साइड में था, एक इंसान है, उसने उसको गोली मार दी। प्लीज आस्क फॉर हेल्प, वी डोंट नीड।
ओके, डोंट वरी,
मेरे पति का बच्चा लो।
हम बचा देगा कोई।
On 22 April 2025, India saw a brutal terror attack after Mumbai Taj attack. In meadow of Pahalgam in Kashmir, 26 people died, including tourists, and 20 other were injured.
22nd April, at least 26 people were killed and many injured after terrorists opened fire on tourists in Jammu and Kashmir.
Have been killed in this attack. Many of the survivors were rushed to a nearby hospital. Some of them are reportedly critical.
और ये पहली गोली है और इसी के बाद वहां कत्लेआम शुरू हुआ। मासूम नागरिकों का उनका धर्म पूछ करके उन्हें मौत के घाट उतारा गया।
This attack shattered the hope of Indians. The attack happened in Baisaran Valley near Pahalgam in J&K. Attackers with guns and pistols attacked the heaven of India. They entered from nearby forests and opened fire on tourists. Nobody had any idea what's happening. People there were just enjoying the view.
यहाँ पर अटैक हुआ आतंकवादियों का, हम लोग बाल बाल बचे हैं, मगर परमात्मा रक्षा करेगा।
And all of a sudden, they had to make a decision based on life and death. This created fear and terror in the heart of people in all over the country. But on the same day, something else happened. This was not just an act of shame, but also raised a big question. Why? Where everyone is showing their concern for the families affected in the terror attack on social media, news channel and everywhere else, Indian Airlines played a shameful card against the affected ones. After the attack, the prices of flights skyrocketed from Kashmir to Delhi, where the usual charges of Kashmir to Delhi flights were only 6,000. The elevation took the prices from 6,000 to 20,000 and even 30 to 35,000 flights from Kashmir to Delhi, Srinagar to Delhi. Not just in one airline, but in every one of renowned airlines like.
It is so shameful to see that after the tragic terror attack in Kashmir, श्रीनगर से उड़ने वाली ऑलमोस्ट सभी फ्लाइट के प्राइसेस 2x 3x हो गए ड्यू टू हाई डिमांड।
With just one motive. After the attack, everyone will be on shock and they just want to go into a safe zone. People were rushing towards airport, booking flights to reach back home as soon as possible. And airline took clear advantage of this situation. This was a shameful act, but the biggest question is, why did it happen? Why did Indian Airlines have to make business out of a horrifying situation where people were struggling and seeing their family member die? Why did airline had to take a decision leaving all the humanity behind? To answer all these questions, let's consider two angles. One is the situation of Indian Airlines in today's time, and the second is psychological factor. The aviation industry has reached 149 lakh passengers in March 2025 with 11% increase from last year. Not only this, but it has also projected that Indian air travel will see a growth of 7 to 10% in domestic passengers. So where did things go wrong? A report was projected by ICRA that the country's civil aviation industry will report a loss of 2 to 3,000 crores in 2025 and 2026. And this is because of two things: supply chain problem and engine issue. Many airlines are facing serious problem because of engine failures, and about 134 planes were not flying in 2024, and this reduced 17% margin from airline industry. And there was a high shortage of pilots and cabin crew that led to flights cancellation and delays. One article that was published in Economic India said Indian aviation sector has wings but airlines can't fly high. So this shows Indian Airlines had gone through a lot, but this does not give them the right to use a terror attack in the favor and make business out of it. So why did it happen? Well, due to the psychological factor. According to airline guidebook, airline has the right to increase or reduce the prices according to demand, competition and market factors. And this is called dynamic pricing algorithm. During the sudden demand like Pahalgam incident, the competition was suddenly dropped, which led to crazy increase in the fare. And not only this, but also the urgency was super high. Seats weren't available easily. Everyone wanted to leave the place as soon as possible. And this made people book the flights as quickly as possible without thinking about the prices. And this gave the option to airlines to quickly increase the fares and sell it. Because nobody cares about the prices when it comes to life, right? And booking flights was the only one option left for the tourists to safeguard themselves. Airlines used the psychological consumer behavior and increased the prices of flights to make some profits from people's grief. Even though it happened for a day, but the impact was huge. Things stopped when people started posting on the social media handles, raising the app done by reputed Indian airlines like. Now, if you are wondering how did it stop? Well, the government had to step in. Yes, even though airline had the right to increase or decrease the prices of the flights according to market, with the concern of public towards the issue, government had to step in and use Act 1937. Act 1937 is an aircraft rule framework that has all the rules and regulation of Indian aviation. When things go out of control and people started showing concern on social media on April 23, DGCA asked the airlines to reduce the fares and also waive the cancellation fees after the attack. Once the issue was passed, the airline had to adjust the fares, waive cancellation and rescheduling fees by providing full refund. Now, if you are wondering, it's okay, it just happened and it's just a mistake, then you are wrong. Because the same spike in airline fares came during 2025 Mahakumbh. People wanted to attend Mahakumbh, especially on events like Mauni Amavasya. The fares were increased from 5,000 to 35,000. DGCA was stepped in during at that time as well and controlled the situation. There is still a lot to come and learn from our past mistake. Whatever happened in Pahalgam is really sad and it should not become a way to make business, and airlines should be more vigilant towards it. I don't have anything else to say, but I hope India take the necessary action against, well, you know who. Tell me in the comments if you like the video and your thoughts about it. Share it with your friends who feel the same as you. Thank you so much.